Imagine you are going to a Parisian cafe. You can smell the aroma of freshly baked croissant. Sipping a latte, biting into the most buttery and flaky croissant. Let's make a croissant cake. The first thing you want to do is buy yourself a croissant, but don't eat it yet, we need to use it as a template. I like to pipe in the buttercream, this way you can quickly fill your cake evenly. We definitely did a good foundation here. If your filling is high on one side, you will notice your cake lean to one side after you put on the next cake layer. We don't want that to happen. Then follow the template and cut out the croissant shape. Then using the cake we just cut out to build our croissants. Ooh, look how this looks like a croissant already. That's why I always like to put the real thing next to my cake. Make it easy to follow. Then cover the cake with a thin layer of buttercream. Croissants have been associated with Parisian bakeries, but do you know that croissant is not originated from France? Shocking, right? An Austrian named August opened his own Viennese bakery in Paris selling Kipfel and pastry. And croissant is the French version of Kipfel, but back then the croissant tastes more like brioche than the flaky and light croissant. Let's use some smoothers and sculpting tool to define the layers of the croissant. Let's make the flaky layers. Using a circle cutter that matches the width of your croissant to cut the fondant into a rainbow shape. Using tools to define flaky layers line by lines will take ages. There must be a quicker way to make realistic flaky layers for our croissant. Can you think of any ideas that can speed up the process? I have an idea! Let's try using a circle cutter to define the flaky layers on the side. That looks pretty good to me. Let's brush on some water or edible glue to stick it on the side of the croissant. Then blending it in. Then make more flaky layers. In the 1800s, croissant used to be for the wealthy people because the ingredients like sugar, egg and butter were too expensive for the average French people. It wasn't until the 19th century when the price decreased so that average French people could afford buying a croissant. I'm going to paint this croissant now, mixing yellow with water. I don't like dilute it with alcohol because when the alcohol evaporates, the color will turn lighter. That's why I prefer mixing the gel food color with water instead of food grade alcohol. Do you know why some croissants are straight while some are in crescent shape? In France, make sure you order straight croissant instead of the crescent shape, because only croissants made with pure butter will be straight. Croissants that made with margarine will be crescent shape. You definitely don't want to miss out the buttery flavor. Just add some more brown to make it look golden. Do you like original croissant or stuffed croissant? I always think I like the original croissant until I've tried the salted egg croissant and caramel brulee croissant in my favorite bakery, Hachukido.
Their croissant is to die for. There's no going back once you have tried it.
What is your favorite croissant? Have you found any croissants to die for? I'm down to give it a try. Let's spray some edible glaze to make it shiny. Let's cut it.
Do you like egg on Yahoo?